Puta talaga. Hindi siya maseryoso. Kailangan ko tagal itong legend bagay costume na to. Ba't masyado siya masaya? Ba't di niya nakikita? Masaya yung mga ka-answer, inantay ko talaga yung bagsak doon kasi ang ganda eh. At kaya maglalaro tayo ng Expedition 33. Masabi daw nila magiging isa sa mga running para sa Game of the Year na pinagad simulan. Expeditioner tayo. Ito na music? No, meron siya fake yung kamay niya. Naglulu, 34. Clair Obscur. Ay. Maelle ako, para bang kilalang Maelle. May kamukha si Robert Pattinson.
Dark. Sophie would approve. The others are waiting for you. You're
Makeup ba yan o eyebags na siya?
With what? Putting up 3 tables? They'll manage.
You underestimate Lumiere's enthusiasm for the expedition. There's at least 5 tables.
Marvelous.
Have you tried throwing with your other arm instead?
Sabihin ko pa lang dapat yung isa gamitin niya.
I'm enjoying the uselessness of today and
Aba.
readying my usefulness for tomorrow.
Galing mo tayo, Robert Pattinson, ang deep mo.
Throw rocks.
That's what all the other expeditions said.
Hey, you know they gave their lives to lay the trail for us, right?
Yeah, I know. Sorry.
Yeah.
You still got a flower to give, no?
Gabi in detail.
Yes. I'm not sure how to start. After 4 years apart, what do I say to her on the day of her gomage?
You're asking
Gomage.
me. I don't know. Sun's about to set, so be direct. Hey, Soph, been a while. Could we...
Prologue. Lumiere. Ang bonjing ng talon niya. A flower for Sophie. Take it, of course. Ito na ang pangalan si
Alright,
Maelle.
let's go.
Ay, gawulat ako.
I'll accompany you there.
Ang bilis na.
Are you ready to see her again?
Sino yan?
Yeah.
Asawa ko ba to, anak?
ready.
Nalala ko dito ng onti yung Bioshock Infinite. Yung mga may nakalutang randomly.
I set up these grapple shortcuts. Don't tell your sister, though. I sort of...
Press square.
Let's go find Sophie.
Ready.
You and Sophie broke up so long ago.
Ako, kung sumimahal mo ako. Okay, wait lang. Girl best friend
Why'd
pala.
you wait
Sorry.
until today to say something? It's a bit late, isn't it?
Ayan na, wala siyang nasabi, boy. At Sophie. Oh. Nako. Hot ba siya? Pero hindi
The
ako
last few
magsisi.
days meant everything.
Nako, chicks pa yari, boy.
Can we talk?
Gustav,
Tingomage.
I love you all.
Pangit naman itong friend yan.
That's for your, if there's room.
There's always room.
Namimi batok.
You know,
I
I'm
miss you.
sorry that
Ay, puta. Uy.
I
You
miss
don't
you.
need to.
Oh,
Okay.
You go. You know how I feel. I wish things had been. You know, I often think
kabalikan sila pero mamamatay siya before.
another path. You know, another future.
Still can't finish your sentences, can you?
Yep.
Kung kasi ito
That hasn't
matapos dun.
changed.
I missed that. I never faulted you for wanting to believe. You're fighting to change things.
Ano yun?
I understand, just in a different world, right?
We'll break the cycle, so she can't steal anyone else's future.
She.
Stubborn people change the world. And you are the most stubborn person I know.
Nilalagay nito sa simula. Ayop.
Thank you.
Namang ganun.
Walk me to the harbor?
Yes.
Okay, ako na siya. Nasaan si Pogi?
Pogi,
Hey, Pogi.
may nag-text sa'yo.
Do you think the Gestrals really exist?
Sure.
Of course they
That's what I think too. One day, I will meet one, even if it means joining an expedition with the Gestrals, and they'll be our new family.
Wala ka palang.
We're tired of the orphanage.
Sorry. Sabi ko pala, wala ka ba magulang?
If the legends are true.
Wah, mukha kang main character ah.
Oh, Sophie.
Richard,
What a
nako.
lovely smell.
Boy best friend ako, lovely
Thank you,
smell.
Richard.
Sa likod pa naman ni
Anything for my beloved sewing teacher?
Nasa likod ko lang siya. Lumalandi ka.
Today is my gamage.
Ah, magkaedad sila.
And
You're back.
Feel.
Oh, did you want to pick out a different?
No, the one you suggested earlier.
I want them all to feel special. I have a garland saved for you too.
Nako.
But it's not a farewell garland,
Ibang bulaklak
Good
naman
luck.
ang gustong amuyin.
my friend.
Petra Mahalimuyak. Okay. Pag namatay na si Sophie, si Ophelie na lang. Ito, magkapangalan pa sila, guys. Ano ba yan? Huwag mo kong harangan. Sophie, baliw ka ba? Kaya mo nainggit agad yung mga babae. Kaya mga babae pa, may baka kausap, naharang yan bigla. Pero pa nandyan siya, wala sila sinasabi.
You two would make a cute couple.
Sino?
If you say so.
Ooh.
Or maybe something already happened, huh?
Ito si ano, si Maelle.
Hi, Sophie.
Oh, Maelle.
I'm volunteering to help guide children who are losing their parents to the orphanage.
Nice.
Those who weren't.
How kind of you.
I guess I can relate.
Ay, siya rin.
Take care during the expedition. Gustav told me a lot of wonderful.
About you too. I always told him you two should.
Look at these orphans.
Tayo na.
Nice.
Ignored.
That's where we disagreed.
Ah.
But I have hope that you and Gustav will change things.
Yeah,
See you.
in the next life.
Titigas ng mga tao dito ang magpadaan. Tabi! Orphan ka na nga, bubugbugin pa ka. Let's go. Yes.
I see you're apprentices.
Gustav! Gustav!
What?
Here, Sophie asked us to bring you your coat.
We sewed up the sleeves so you don't have to keep rolling it up.
You guys know how to sew?
Sophie helped us. Turns out it's not that hard. You really should have done this ages ago.
You did this?
Gentlemen, that was supposed to be between us, yeah? I wanted to do something for you.
Soph. Thanks, guys. This is great. Thank you.
See you at the festival?
Don't leave without saying goodbye.
Yeah, of course not. What? I know that face.
You mean a lot to them.
Yeah, they mean a lot to me too. Legacy can take many forms, right?
Yeah,
You told me that.
right. I
Kinky.
wanted to see you wearing it.
Gomage to gunage.
Oh, you like uniforms now?
The intense intense piano. Inubarat. Ay. 33.
This too is your legacy.
Oh!
In a way. It's yours too.
Siya pala. Ano lang? Solidarity. Siya pala. Malambig lang pag mamamatay ka na. Ang inang kalokohan to. Abrupt naman ang piano. Biglang nawala. Ay, gago. Oh, cinematic. Grabe music. Ang ganda, gago. For sure, ang dami, kilala, ang daming sa Spotify ng playlist na to. Ayaw ba niya? So parang si Gustav parang ayaw eh. Si Sophie parang accepted na niya eh. Parang nakapikit na nga siya. The fuck? Umayo. So magiging 33 na. Okay, parang ka nakagenjutsu. First I was afraid, I was petrified. So nakikita nila lahat ito every year. Alam na nila ano yung... Oh my god, natano sila! Oh shit, hindi masakit. Sila din. Wow, pagbida ka talaga huli eh, no? No, kiss mo muna bago matanos. Okay, yung bata ni kasama siya. Sa buong town yun? Oh my god. hindi naman siya masakit. Masakit na sa mga may iwan. Hindi mo silang maaray. Ano pag finake mo yung birth certificate mo, no? Pala ay 32 pala ako, sorry. Ang mga ending to eh. Pinatay na agad eh. Thanos. Sa harap mo pa talaga gagawin. Basikan ka pa oh. Ang tubig. Si Sophie. Akala ko siya rin. Oh. Mali nga edad niya, sabi ko na eh. Punta sa... Hindi ka 33 years old, boy. Kasi ba't pa siya bibigyan ng coat? Wala lang. Yung dalawang to. Sabihin ka hanapin natin si Sophie ah. Del Expedition. Okay, pang remembrance lang.
There you are. You can't hide from us, you know. Like I said, mourning's best done with friends.
Lucien,
What? It is. Grieving alone's the worst.
where's mine?
Santé, les amis.
Santé.
Yeah, no, I could use a drink.
5 tables this year. You see that? Told you we'd beat the 34s. Even Maelle showed up and she hates these things. Wanna go take a look?
I don't... maybe later. I'll catch up. I'm okay. You go.
Don't drink alone, you weirdo.
Yeah, right. Enjoy myself.
Tayo naman itong... tayo na.
Gustav?
Mas poging version ko.
Tristan
Oh
dragged
god
me.
damn. Tristan dragged me here.
Is
Kaya
that
pala
the final spot? It's amazing you triangulate
May
the
bago niya
Expedition
ebang.
Zero's landing site.
Okay, makes sense. Expedition Zeros.
Theoretically, extrapolated from the archives, but it was 67 years ago. So much of the landscape has changed.
Malalaman mo agad sa itsura
I
lang
trust your
sino yung bide.
calculations.
Kahit pogi at maganda sila lahat. Pasok na to.
It's a good
Kasama na to
strategy,
for
tracing
sure.
their steps. They're the only expedition with any survivors, and
Assuming the records are correct, my calculations are correct.
you need a drink.
Go away, Gustav.
Damn. Grabe naman tension to. Puta, gumawa ng Luminatech.
Hey yourself. You okay?
Yeah.
Kita psychiatrist.
Actually,
I'm good.
That's okay.
what about you? You say goodbye to Derek?
Oh, that was over ages ago.
Oh, sorry. I really thought you guys would work out.
It's for the best. I need full
Ano ka
focus
magjojowa
on the
dito kung alam mo
expedition.
mamamatay kayo na maaga?
Yeah.
Paano ka magkaka-time at magkakalibog? Sige na, tara na. Anong rematch panalo ko? Oh, bago. Patay siya agad. Okay. First try.
Congratulations, you beat a teenager. Take this token.
Welcome back.
Yes.
Ito, tatlo na pala.
Take
Pwede na
good
lahat.
care of it. Godspeed.
Ano yan? Old key for an old door. Pucha, nice,
Ready
ganda.
for your new head?
Yes, ito na lahat ng tokens ko.
Let's see what you've got.
Tapos kinalbo ko. Ano yan?
Voila.
Good boy.
Very fine
Okay na.
indeed.
Good. Okay na. Masaya na si Sophie na nasa expedition siya. Ano to?
Gustav, we got something for you.
Ano na naman? Alam ko paki na agad. Gustav.
So, when you come back,
Save.
you can tell us everything.
Pang-save
They'll
ba to?
definitely want that for the
A journal.
museum.
Sino to?
Your sister's here.
Kapatid niya.
Take care of each other. My darling sister has arrived. She'll kill me if I don't say goodbye. The chief counselor honors us with her presence. What? Still mad I'm going?
This is the definition of a fool's quest. My brother's not usually a fool.
I've heard you say
Yeah,
otherwise.
You and I both know the political complexities that necessitate the expedition. It's vital for morale.
but it's a bloodless guillotine as
You should put that in your speech. Very motivating. They might just find a guillotine for you too.
There are so many things you can contribute to here in Lumiere.
Em, you're doing great work, really. Getting things ready for the last generation. You've got it well in hand here.
We're never going to see each other again.
You're so busy anyway. I barely see you.
Just take care of Maelle, okay?
Me? You're her...
We're her guardians, not her jailers. She really wants off this island.
Don't you have a...
You mean the one you so kindly wrote for me?
Just suggestions. I thought...
I do. Anyway. Yeah.
Prologue talaga. Kuha ko naman lahat ng sa tokens.
Expeditioners, the Sword of Lumiere. We honor your dedication. We do not take for granted that you dedicate your final year of life to keeping hope alive for all of Lumiere. Some of you are leaving to change the world. Others to discover the secrets of our universe.
Kasama siya.
Some to protect loved ones. Others to find meaning in our all too short lives. As you sail into the unknown, know that Lumiere stands with you when you battle the paintress. Know that Lumiere fights with you.
Namin.
Let
Pipili
the
ba ako sa
stones
kanila?
of her monolith crumble.
I think way nila to
At
defy.
the end of the world. Unable to paint another death. Let the stars no longer be hidden by her oppressive
So sabi every year na tinatry din nila i-stop.
Let the world once again watch the sun rise without the shadow of her cursed figure. May the wind of renewal take you to the ends of the earth.
For the future na. Eh, dalawang beses sila makakita. No? Isang na Thanos, isang masisiman. Masisiman sila.
Thanks to you, Expedition 33.
Alam ko ino-offer sila eh. Parang sa natin mga elves. Diba? Okay. So yun yung way nila to defy. Yung mga mamamatay ba dito agad? The fuck, sino yan? Naka-coat pa siya. Nag-farm pa siya ng aura. Baka ano siya? Bulupong ni paintress. Grabe sound design yan.
You're old. How did you survive the Gomash? Which expedition are you from?
Ooh. Last expedition na niya, bro. Okay. Alan is dead. Sabi ko na yung mamamatay. Dami nila masyado eh. Makontrolin mo lahat yun. Ano may kinuha? Oh god.
Stop! Come on, we need to go!
Wala may gusto.
He's not following. Puta! What the fuck?
Puta!
What the fuck was that?
Regroup at the rally point. The indigo tree.
Parang yung ano, parang harvest dun sa guns. Gagawin na. One down. Patay. Hindi ko na maalala ibang pangalan eh. Basta namatay yung friend.
Keep going! Come on! Move! Fucking snap out!
Ah my god, sabi ko na eh. Parang tanga eh. Patay na siya agad. Oh my god, bumalik lang siya. Walang kwenta pala may expedition nila. So, kaya... Spirit Bull sa mukha. Act 1. Gustav. Lagi nila siyang buhay. Like, namatay sila Lucien tsaka si Catherine. Nakatusok ba sa likod ko? Ano ba itong tigas? Ay hindi, wala lang pala yun. Alis niya sa Pixar. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, kalaban na agad. Re-relax siya eh. Ginulo, men. Yun eh. Wala naman na iba eh. Tatagos to eh. Oh. Tumagos ka. Galing gago. Realistic. Okay, ito pwede niyang bitaw. Okay. Wala na rin point kasi nasira ako na. Okay yun. Ganda yun. Pagod na nga ako, pira pa. Bugbog pa. Baka magbaba siya ng chroma. Bigyan mo akong chroma, boy. Kapag mo akong chroma. Balik ka mo, gago. Baka may loot yan. Sorry to, wala siyang stamina. Hindi ko na lang isipin. Ito ba yung mga data expedition? Nasaan yung mga tropa pips ko? Puro katawan ba to? Oo nga, lahat na nagdaan na expedition. Naging bato sila eh. Yung nagamit ba yung life force nila? Ugh. Nice. Nakichill yung mga homies ko. Tapos na expedition ko. Persona! Kahit ikaw ba si Robert Pattinson, di mo kakayanin yun.
You do that.
Uy,
We both die.
si Loon. Saka nag-spawn. Tumabi muna siya. Kasawa ka lang yung kamay ko bigla. Nice.
We're the only ones left. You don't get to die.
We're already dead. Look around, look.
This is not a foregone conclusion. When one falls, we continue. Get up. We need to find a safer place. There are Nevrons around.
Nevrons yun. Oh my god. Dalawa na kami, do. Baka... Oh my god.
The Lumina converter seems intact.
Nga
About
pala.
time we test it in real conditions.
Please, yes, please.
Puta.
Puta na talaga. Woo! Let's go. 420, blaze it. Wala ko tayo dodge, boy. Ano tayo dodge? Oh, expedition down. Asabay. Oh, shit. Okay, may pang both. Alam ko na yun. Immolation. Kahoy yun, siguro naman masakit sa akin yun. Okay, nice.
We did it, Gestal.
Saya ka. Saya ka pa, patay na yung 90%.
Reputation, shall we?
Pang-collect ba to? Oo nga, well, ngayon name, Lumina, to-convert na.
It really works.
Ang Pokeball. Napalipin ko siya sa akin. Ayun, huli ka balibon.
Eyes shut.
Yes.
Danger.
Ano pinaka? Gustuhan niya yun, kaya siya nakala. Lance Ram. Karoon tayo ng item. Boom! Oh my god, ang ganda. Perfect counter! No damage run, easy. Ano yan? Ang pangit niya, sino yan? Ang creepy niya, gag. Ano yan? Mind protects itself. Ayan ang mga French talaga, ayun. Ay, sayang. Aray, sakit ng headbutt, hayop ka. Okay, mag-heal muna tayo, mga idol. Mag-aana siya. May ganun. Sakit ng headbutt eh.
For those who come after.
Midori! Yun. Aray! Sakit tong bird, 300. Damit baget. Wow! Worth yun, halos mamatay kami. Palitan lang natin yung ng kanyang damit. Kakatakot, kalaban ba yan? Please, ayoko maging boss fight yan. Oh my god. Mag-apa pala ako, ba't ako gumaw? Shit. Walang ambush, walang first strike. duguan na sila. Kahit lang. Kailangan natin mag-rest. Bobo ko di ako nag-rest.
Someone came here before and set up these handholds.
Probably Expedition 69. The climber's expedition.
Ay, sorry.
I
Bakit
just thank
69
them for
yung
that.
expedition ng climber? Bastos. Ano naman yan? Expeditions. Jar. Gago. Anong hawakan ni Utong? Hindi ko siya maseryoso. Meron siyang baget. Sabihin kalaban to. Oo na.
Something's wrong with it.
Ah. Kampe?
Why isn't it attacking us?
Magkakaroon ba tayo ng mga friendly na na monsters?
An expedition journal. 81.
Kago, buti ang tatanda na ng mga to. Hindi nga pala kailangan yun yung edad mo.
Learn from the ones who came before.
And lay the trail for the ones who come after.
Never pala tong mga to, yung mga pinapatay natin.
They communicated with a Nevron.
Never.
The dead here don't disappear like in Lumia.
Something about the way Nevron's kills seems to affect our chroma.
Perhaps your friend here can enlighten us.
It
really does speak.
What do you mean, light?
Did you kill these people?
Painted? By the paintress?
Yun ba yun? Iilaw ba dapat yun? Kasi yung tusok hindi sa kanya eh.
If we bring it light, perhaps we can learn more.
I'm not sure that's a good idea.
Expedition ano yun? 8 and 1. Your light. Awaiting your light. See. Wow. Shine. Boss fight? Basta boss eh. Oh. Ano yan? Leo! Kilala niya agad. Leo, goodbye. Tinawag mo kasi. Madre ba to?
Fuck. It's big.
Yun din sabi niya sa akin eh.
Putain de merde.
Putain na! Okay, boss fight. Ang tatlo buhay ng iPhone. Oh shit na. Oh, dalawa. Tatlo. Oh my god. Oh, dalawa agad. Ayun, matanggal na. Okay. Kala ko minor. Pagkabasa. Yes! Oh, perfect! Okay, patry.
Lightning strike!
Oh my god, ang lakas! Tong, tong, tong. Tong, tong. Tong, tong, tong. Perfect! Papa!
Ice shut! Basta!
Paintress must fall!
Okay. Wow, magpapula na, may ganun. Hindi ko na pala kailangan i-finish. May finisher sila.
Celebrate later. There'll be others. We should be safe up in the tree.
Yeah. Nobody.
Wait, there's a message on the wall. Took Maelle to the weird corals. Head north, look for a door inside a hut.
Maelle.
This doesn't make sense. Who would have written this? It sounds like an expeditioner, but everyone knows to sign their messages.
Yeah, but they might have been in a hurry.
I don't know. Doesn't sound like anyone on the team.
Look, I'm going after Maelle.
Hindi niya nakita katawan ni Maelle. So,
Protocol also states, never move solo. I'll let you choose which protocol.
kasi pabisalamin pa siyang umiki ng sumalayo. Ano? Diyan ka? Tuloy tayo. Wow! Lagi mukha siyang board game. The fuck? Pag-camp. Eesh! Uy, pakita na konting pat. Tumayo lumin ako dyan, ha? Ingat ka lang. Yung baget ko. Baget kong puro na usok. Puro na uling.
I'm sorry about earlier. The beach was not your fault.
No, it was. I convinced Alan to land there.
It's Alan. Alana rin siya.
So, we can rest a bit. But, the moon is bright. I want to keep moving.
Have you learned nothing from the beach?
No, I am not leaving Maelle alone a minute longer than I have.
But right now, it's just the two of us, and I don't want to bring Maelle your corpse. The man on the beach, you saw what he did. But more than that, you saw his face.
Oo nga. Alala ko sa kanya mukha yan eh. Sa Resident Evil eh. Yung malakas.
He must be what? 50? 60? Yet he survived the Gamage.
So
We
kilala
don't
ba
know
nila?
who we're dealing with. We lost everyone in an instant.
Exactly. He killed us all so easily. He doesn't need to fake a message.
I am not letting Maelle die out here. I'm taking her home.
What? No, no, no! We have a mission!
Oh, fuck the mission!
Fuck
Fuck the mission, Lune! What are we gonna do, huh? Tell me. What are we gonna do? We're gonna take down the paintress, just the three of us? My gun and your sparks?
I didn't take you for a coward.
I'm not a coward.
You swore the oath. When one falls, we continue.
Yes, I know.
When one falls. When one falls. Not if. When. We knew not all of us would make it. But we continue. As long as even one of us stands, our fight is not over.
But I'm not afraid to fight. It's just Maelle. She's...
Maelle swore the same oath.
I know that.
She chose her life. You and I... Come on, we always said the future of Lumiere is more important than
Any individual life, yes.
Do you still believe that?
Hindi siya maseryoso. Kailangan ko tagal itong lecheng
believe
baget
that?
costume na to. Tayo na naman.
Do you?
I hope I do.
Fuck the mission. Really?
Sorry.
Dala na emosyon ko. Hanapin natin si Paintress. Yes, nakapag-heal na. Sa Mario to ah. Mario music. Yung underwater.
68. Elodie's expedition.
You know the commanders of every expedition.
Expedition 68. Their boat was blown into the air by a storm. Lumiere lost sight of it, but assumed they crashed on the continent.
And they survived. The storm, at least.
All right, let's keep moving. We found the weird corals. Maelle must be close by.
Wait. Everyone. Looks like a different species.
Doesn't matter. They're between us and Maelle.
Slow up.
Look, there's a door inside.
Ang convenient naman yan, dul.
Seems empty. Let's go.
Nope. Hindi yan.
Someone lives here.
Oh, hindi ko na naikot yung place. Lol. Kala ko kasi ano lang. Yun. Tapos kami pala yung nahanap ni Maelle, no? Para siya yung may salamin eh. Mga may salamin tayo, di mo pagkakatiwalaan.
This is...
Maelle!
Di ba tayo lumabas muna? The manor. Damn. Tchaikovsky. Yun. Elevate. Oh! Sino yan? Sabaw.
Maelle?
Maelle? Parang illusion lang.
Gustav,
Hindi kita to.
are you real?
Real na real!
I'm sorry. I thought that you... On the beach, I saw you and I couldn't, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I should have, I should have come for you and
It's okay.
Buti na, tinanggal ko na yung baguette costume nito.
I was worried.
Made it.
Nasa seryoso ko na.
How did you end up here?
I don't know. It's all a blur.
May nagdala sa kanya.
I remember
Pero kung anak siya ni Paintress.
Then I woke up here. With
Kalbo na naman.
him. He's been helping me a lot. He reinforced all my pictos.
What is he?
Stranger danger girl.
I'm not sure. He
Oo
doesn't
nga.
really talk.
Wala nga siyang bibig. Ito sa may talk niya.
The chroma around him. It's quite different from the Nevrons.
Parang may love siya. Parang si yung naghihingi ng light. O nga, hindi ko na siya nabalikan. Ako si Maelle. Oh my God, kasama na siya sa party!
How did you find me?
There was a message at the indigo tree.
Do you know who left it?
A message? Maybe. No. I don't know.
Ano yan? Cute.
Is that a Gestral?
A Gestal. Ruffian.
Stop that, you big hairy brush face. Can't you see they're human? Noko's a bit dramatic, but if you're nice, Noko will trade you lots of useful items for chroma.
May shop na tayo. Mustache.
So the tales are true. Perhaps the Grandis and the Esquier exist too.
Gandhi Esquier.
Are there more Gestrals like you? I'd love to meet them.
Noko, you silly scruff. Their village is not far from here.
Oh, really?
Lune,
I know. Don't have time for detours.
yeah, we need to get to the paintress.
Namin na lapras.
There's another sea between here and the paintress.
Noko, as the best Gestral merchant ever, I bet you know a solution, yeah? Come on,
It's
you
a bag.
broomhead, I know you know.
Basta sa Mr. Bean pagsalita. Golgra.
Well, I guess you'll get to meet more Gestrals.
Okay, benta muna tayo. Lalabanan ko sila muna. Oh. 1v1? Level to. Ako gross speaker. Oh my God! Okay, wag. Okay. New Pictus.
These dead Nevrons. Who could have done this?
Guess.
So you didn't just stay in your mansion.
Tropa. Gemini. Ito yung mga mababait. Or at least, hindi. Bakit? Hindi ko siya pakita.
Ready to evade.
Yun. Pagkababa pala ng paa niya. Ay, ng kamay niya. na. Ito na yung balon mo. Patakihin pa sana ka eh. Give and talk. Nakaharang ano ba? Tumabay ka dyan, huy. Yung pet mo.
It said something.
Oh. Oh, kuryente. Kita mo. XP sana yan do. Kuryente oh. Bagay dito eh. Kabahanan ko ba siya? So, XP do. Oh my god.
It's forging something, so they have intelligence. Danger!
God, ano may miss? Pabait kasi.
Thunder!
Aray. Shit. Oh, hindi ko alam. Tinaspam ko.
Let's spill some ink. Precise strike.
Tapos, ito rin per se. Crueler arm. Oo, dyan. Lumakas pa. Dali.
Perfect.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! I'm out! I'm out! I'm out! Yee! Bahala kayo dyan. Oh my god! Okay. Kirig tayo. Avoid at all costs. Ay! Gago na! Save! Gulat ako, hayop. Laki kasi.
This building has a certain melancholy beauty. A lone outpost of humanity nestled amongst the coral.
Ito yung first attack. Namali ako ng dikit.
Ready to carry. Don't die.
Let me paint death!
Ano to? Sino to? Tatlo siyang halo. Gago, patay. Bobo naman ang atake rin.
Guard up.
Ang hirap i-dodge. Anong klaseng atake yun?
Not looking good.
Not looking good. We're looking nice. Kaya na, ikaw na tumatapos. Sakit. Ooh! Oh! Munting lumabas, boy.
A story is coming.
Nakapatay na, please! Yes! Oh my god! Tangina mo, Troubadim. Ang boss fight ah. Oh my god. Nice. Nako. Okay.
Watch out!
Taba ng puwet namin. Oh! Nalusog.
It only attacked when...
It's coming.
I don't know. Go blue.
Ice, shut!
Flames. On me.
A storm is coming.
Ang weakness nga niya, kuryente.
Danger!
Good job, so. Lightning naman din.
Let me paint for those who come after.
Aray, 3,000 sa banga.
Thunder! Gustav, wait! It seems peaceful. As long as we don't touch the flowers.
Yeah, let's not get too sentimental. It's still a paintress creation.
Mga mababait nga ang ganyan, ano ba? Mga nevron na nervous.
Putain!
Oh, binat. Bye-bye.
Damn, Maelle, what was that?
It felt familiar somehow.
Gustav, we won't understand what's going on if we kill everything that moves.
Look, a red tree. The Gestal village must be ahead.
Sabihin nun.
Being out here isn't what I expected.
As expected. You okay?
Opo, Daddy.
Death out here's not like death in Lumiere, is it? I thought I was used to losing people. I've ever foster child, right? Not like that. On the beach, that man.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. Nevrons we were prepared for, but not. And now we finally found other survivors, and it's... You know, that's the insidious thing about the Gommage. It's predictable, almost gentle. It makes Lumiere complacent and accepting, but the Gommage is equally violent, and death is just as final.
I've been having nightmares.
Yeah, me too.
Ikaw na naman, bida.
Look, if death approaches, I want you to run. No, promise me. Run. Especially if we meet the man from the beach. We can't face him. You see him, you run.
Only if you do the same.
Oh, I'm running as soon as I see a strand of white hair, trust me. You won't even see me, I'm running so fast.
Oh, please, you're an old man. I can outrun you any day.
Yeah, right. There was a time when 30 was young, you know.
Sure.
Mas kalbo. Hindi nga ako sinundan. Oh, may nagano sa kanya. May mababackstab pa sa kanya.
Surprised to find you here.
Oh, nice.
I hope we can trust him.
Well, at least we can upgrade our pictos.
Okay. Ito nakakatakot. Ito upgrade. Yes. Boss fight. Popo.
That's a lot of dead Nevrons.
Who did?
Ang mga Gestal. Lalo nila, Nevron kami so kakalabanin namin.
I don't see
I
any.
think they mean us.
They must be Gestrals. They're cute, but they're idiots.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, we're not Nevrons!
Ito ano ito parang robot. Ito nag-iisa pa.
Thanks. On me.
Puta, 600 lang. Magad, please, patayin mo na to.
Take cover!
Nice. Oh, shit. Gago. Tangin na namatay. Lol. Sakarang. Ano, napagsak ko.
Don't worry. We don't want to hurt you,
Patate.
Noko sent us.
Kapatat.
Kapatate. Oh, no ko te kepate. Oh,
If you guide us to your village,
Guide us to your village and maybe he'll make you something better.
Wait, what are you?
Trust me, I hate liars.
Karatong.
You're better with gestrals than humans.
They're less complicated.
Mas malakas pa dun.
They sound like kids.
we must be getting close to the village.
May baril siya.
Kinda looks the same as all the others.
Kasama pala siya.
Hey, don't get cocky, Maelle. Look at its equipment. That looks a lot more dangerous than the others. No, seriously.
Blades. On me.
For those who come after.
Nice.
For those who come after.
Na kayo sumunod sa akin. Resistant. Oo, para naman XP, no? Kahit matalo ka siya ng patay na dalawa.
Let me take that!
Lord, those who come after tangina mo. Ayaw mo na sa... Ano, pinusok yung 100 damage per turn ang puta.
Chef.
Goof! Nakot ako dun ah. Pumili. Oh, nagpo-push-ups ba sila? Sabi ka kalabanin ko to. Golgra.
It wasn't that.
Wasn't that so ikaw ay nakahigad. Ay po may ganun pa. May payabang. Maelle wins.
Well, that wasn't so bad.
Yeah, it really just felt like beating old people.
So it wasn't so bad.
Am I one of those old people?
One day, I hope. Hey, how'd you end up here?
Oh, after the beach, I ended up in an odd yellow forest, not too far from here. Had to dodge a few nevrons, but luckily I met a gestural who guided me here. What about you?
Well, I woke up next to a waterfall and...
We can talk later. Let's get back to Golga.
No time to lose.
I still can't believe it. I lost hope after a while, but
What was your plan if we hadn't? Be a gestural champion until your gamage?
Bagong buhay na ako.
well, it was a lot of...
Nako, nag-i-emote si ano. Ella Pronel. Sino bang babae mo? Ah, gusto niya may nunal. Ayaw niya na Asian.
Since we left the village?
Yeah, sorry. Just bad memories.
Wanna talk about it?
No.
No. I would never abandon a member of Aquafarm 3.
Aquafarm 3.
Aquafarm 3.
That was so long ago. You and Sophie were inseparable on that project.
Yeah, we were.
That was a good project.
Okay, hindi pala.
You've had so many
Sila
neighborhoods at
magkakaroon ng
once.
something.
Kind of nostalgic thinking back. We really thought we were making a difference.
Hey, we're still making a difference.
Yes. Of course.
Yeah.
Naalala pa niya ex niya, so hindi pwede siya. Hindi siya pwede. Hanapin natin siya.
Can't believe it. We're gonna meet the
Kilala pala siya. SKA
the
pala, sorry.
Gestrals and SKA. The tales are true.
Do you feel something?
Gago. Naku, na-infinite Tsukuyomi pa si Maelle. Ito ba yung... Yung ano? Yung skeleton? Sino yan? Siya ba yan? Si Sophie? Ay, di si Maelle.
White hair. Who are you?
Ano yan? Sakto sa chorus to.
Alicia, I told you to stay home. It's not good for you to see this. Yes, I understand.
Pinapake siya.
It's her fault, and she doesn't even know it. But you can't be here.
Alam niya, no?
Talking about? What's my fault? What is this?
You should never have come. You're only going to make things worse for everyone. Now take your friends and go home. Let them spend their final year in peace. This is your only warning.
Kamukha ni ano? Nicolas Cage.
I can't wait to see.
Maelle?
Hey.
Hey.
It's him. I saw him.
Ba't siya lang yung
The
pinapansin?
white-haired man and this woman.
Indian woman.
What did you see? Maelle, breathe. Slow down. What did you see? Think carefully. Every detail could be important.
He said we need to go home and that it's my fault. And that I'm gonna make things worse for everyone. You were all frozen. I couldn't.
Genjutsu kasi
It was
tawag
like a
yan, girl.
waking nightmare.
Wala ka siya rin gan. Kaya makakalabas din.
You said there was a woman.
No, maybe later.
She had a mask and...
I know this is hard, but I need you to focus, okay? While the details are
Yung
fresh.
psychiatrist.
Ask her tomorrow.
Nakakalimutan niya. Dapat kayo na. Bahala kayo.
Hey. Breathe. Listen to me. You're safe. Do you understand? Okay? It's over.
Maelle.
Feeling better?
Yeah. We can debrief along the way. Let's head east to SKA's nest.
Ito yung Gestal dito.
Ikaw ba ano? Pokarito, password
shit,
dito,
may password.
Golgra said to shout the password as loud as we can. Well, Gustav,
Uy,
you're the
bakit?
loudest.
Ba't niya alam?
Really? Hey.
Come on, don't be shy.
Get out of my way! Jeez, Tupakima ba, Parino?
No. It's the password.
Rico Femicola, Gorgranda Baribombino, password dito.
Ay, yung point.
Dito, Sava.
Look, I am very sorry. It's just that Golgra told us that's the password, and
Come on, it's a Gestal. He'll have forgotten in about a minute.
No SGA.
Oh god. Oh my god. Kung sabi kakalabanin ko muna to.
Hey, what's your mon ami?
Parang entrance sa wrestling eh.
What? I don't know.
Siya nakakuha. Siya yung nakakuha sa kanya.
No. I'm not that fond of water.
Actually, that's sort of why we're here. We need to cross the sea. Golgra said you could help.
Mon ami, a rolling stone gathers no moss.
Pardon me?
In the stories, they say SK likes to speak in riddles.
In what way?
I don't get it.
We really need to cross the sea. Would you please help us?
There's a lot of you to carry. I'm strong, but I'm not that strong. I will need Flory.
Who's Flory?
One of my rocks.
Rocks?
See? Flory helps me swim. But Flory was stolen by my arch nemesis. The one whose every step shakes the foundation of the world. The one known as Francois.
Okay.
Let me guess. Francois is located deep in Nevron-infested territory, right?
Oh no. He's right next door. Over there.
Oh.
Francois is my neighbor.
Okay. Well, I guess we could take a look.
Fantastic. Good luck, mes amis. Please, bring Flory back to me.
Sa pa-aware sila eh. No?
You seem to know me.
Yes.
Ikaw yung inano niya eh.
How? I don't understand.
Men trip not on mountains. They stumble upon stones.
Who dares enter my lair? You can't just walk into someone's home without knocking. That is incredibly rude.
Is that... Are you Francois? It's just a talking rock.
Wait, I thought Flory was...
turtle to?
A rock? I am not a rock. Do you have rocks for eyes? You certainly have rocks for brains. I am clearly a turtle. Eskie! Stop sending hooligans over here! Now get off my lawn!
It's okay. We'll leave. We're just here for Flory.
So, not only are you intruding, you're here to steal? Oh my word! Humans! Well, over my dead body!
Oh shit. Yung reaction ng mga karakter tayo. Okay, sige. Oh shit. Okay. May pang-break ako ng shield. Wala si Ciel. Okay, on the third day, she rose again. Tayo na sakit. Fury, sakta na natin. One, two, pari. Una pari niya sa mukha, ang strongest ice attack ever. Ito ang strongest fire ever. Hayop ka.
Okay, let's put an end to this foolishness. I need to sleep.
Like a turtle.
All this trouble for a tiny rock.
Take it and but know that I will never stop chasing you.
Yun yung nakatakot eh. Yung hinahabol ka na sobrang bagal. May ganong, sa YouTube eh. Yung parang the slowest. Yung parang yung spoon, parang kukut-kutin ka niya ng spoon na sobrang tagal. Hey.
You got Flory.
Magulat kay alam mo namang Talo. Ay.
What do you mean that's not Flory?
Ha! I never had Flory. Your rock is still on the Stone Wave Cliffs.
He got me good.
Wait, does this mean you won't help us?
If you promise to get me Flory, then we can be buddies.
Can't you swim without Flory? We saw you flying just now.
Oh, you're much too heavy. I need my rocks.
Your rocks.
Alas, I've lost them all. I can do much more than swim. I can fly into space. I used to fly all the time with my best friend Verso.
We'll help you find your stones.
Oh, how lovely of you.
Wait, Francois said the Stone Wave Cliffs. Where's that?
All the way to the north. Just aim for the big 33. Woo! I'll meet you outside!
Gag. Natapakan ko ba yan? Oo nga, dadaanan ko yan. Okay, ko yung puta. Uy. Twilight Quarry. Ay, palag ko wala. Ewan, may ganun.
What have we here?
Huh? Ay, music record. Nice. Ay, ito ba yung kung saan kami nasira? Oh shit. Pwede namin... Ako, baka marinig natin yung mga sigaw nila dun sa ano. Mga namatay dun. Tingnan natin. Gabi-gabi na lang nightmare mo, Maelle. Siya yung first. Sila yung mga first. 100 years old yun. Siya yan eh. Ito si Maelle. Anak ba siya ni 100? Hindi eh.
See why you like throwing rocks.
You've been quiet since you saw those people.
It felt like they knew me. Like, actually knew me. I don't understand what's happening. And I feel like I never understood. Like, I'm always missing something that everyone else just gets. In Lumiere, life never made sense and I never fit, and now out here, when it was just starting to maybe feel good, then this happens and...
Yeah. I hate it too. Things we don't understand. They just make us feel small and powerless. But it helps, you know, to focus on the things I do understand, on the people I care about and who care about me. And, you know, now I feel a little less lost, because at least we're lost together. What? What? Stop it. Too cheesy? No. Well, if it makes you feel better, I was even more lost when I was 16.
I heard that was because you were only thinking about girls.
Girls.
Yep, but guess what? The girls weren't thinking about me at all.
I believe that.
The gals. Yeah. Oh, gals. Yan.
You can talk to me, you know. We're family. Well, that's what the paperwork says, at least.
Well, the paperwork probably says we're dead too, so...
Yeah, probably. Ooh, nice one.
I know.
I told you, don't get cocky. It was... okay.
You taught me great. Nah.
Ito yung tropa.
Rukiteme.
O si Sastro, hinahanap niya.
Foserito culo baha. Kilma! Teso kimo. Urekawa wila foseri. Irebe. Taro mo tasusu bakoroto. Midagoro rito teso ki. Taro mo tasusu bakoro foserito culo baha. Biboture fosse rito culo baha.
Nice. Hindi ko susuotin yan, sorry. Hello. Ewan ko ba't ko ito ginagawa pero sinusulat ko pa din. Sana may meaning to. For those who come after.
For those who come after.
Bakit ako lang yung nagsusulat? Kailangan ako yung magsulat. Okay. Ang gabi-gabing nightmare ni Maelle. Huwag mo sabihing magulang ko to. White hair. O lolo. Kasi kamukha, may mukha. Kaano niya ka-figure niya ng mukha eh. O, lolo ko to, tas nanay ko yan. Kasi mga ganun-ganun siya eh. Parang, anak ko to eh.
I envy them. Those who can't see. Those who know not that they are not. And those who live, blithe and free, sins forgotten, and thus absolved, a fresh dawn in their playground, while we live in shadows. Swimming in ink, we are but a fragile dream, a singular weed, resisting, ever resisting, that iron dirt, that eternal law. Those who can't see, those who know not, that they are not. Fellows, those who know not that they are not.
Ganda ng music tayo, sakto.
Wanna go for a ride?
Ito, landi na landi ito eh.
Apparently, that was where people went on dates, you know.
Bakit siya? Hindi si Luna eh.
What do you think happened in those cabins?
No, actually, my guess is this was Expedition 50. You see, they created this giant wheel. And they tried to cross the world.
Okay, Professor.
Mes amis, Flory's close. I can feel it.
Come on, you can fly. Can't you get Flory yourself?
Oh no. Too much effort.
Oh my god. Ayun yung nasa baba. Kaya ba niya mag-isa? Gogo. Kaya. Kaya nga niya. Oh nice. So isipin, pwede na kayo bumaba.
So, wait. SGA is that powerful?
Apparently so. But also lazy.
Alright, let's go.
Nababa ako, baka may
What a
something
weird creature.
Go! Oh my god. Parang hindi ko makuha. Creepy naman ito, parang horror. Ano sila?
A storm is coming.
Don't die!
For those who come after. Guess this will
This and precision! Thunder! On fire!
Boss fight. Parang Elden Ring vibes eh. Right. Slow agad. Bilis. Ang bilis din, parang gago. Harap na siyang fire. Sunugin natin ulit. Ayaw mo na, please, Maelle. Si Maelle ang puta. Siya ang pinaka may damage sa amin.
Easier than expected.
Hey, don't jinx us. No need to invite misfortune.
Oh, baka may isa pa.
For those who come after.
Take cover! Brace yourselves.
Aga pa rin. Pero at sa bubuhay na ako. Ang sakit pa rin. Ayun. Burn! Yun! Tangin na mo, nasunog ka din. Hayop ka. Galing mo! Tangin mo.
Is it really dead?
Looks like it.
Is this it?
Yan ba si Flory?
Oh, Flory. All right. Ready to sail like a snail. Just jump, mes amis. It's not that high.
We can finally cross the sea.
Lapras.
You don't happen to have some wine stashed away, do you?
Wine?
Hey, you can do this.
I hate water.
Ba't kaya? Buto tumalon lang. Oh, di ka ba takot sa heights din? Tatalong ka dyan.
She doesn't seem that far now.
Nasa harap na nila.
Does she?
Yeah. Wanna throw one more rock?
The others are waiting, but...
You might reach her.
Okay.
Dali ka usap. Ang bato ang aking ibabato. Uy, ano yun? Sabi si white-haired na naman yan. Oo nga. Si Pilay.
Ooh, what about
Naku,
that one?
Naku, bakit ganito?
Does it really matter?
Ba't masyado siya masaya? Ba't di yan nakikita? Ako ni ba si Maelle?
Well, you know, like I always say, it's not about the rock. It's more about...
Ah!
Gestal.
Sabi ko na may dash yung caption niya. Bakit si Robert Pattinson pa? Oh my God. Patay siya? Lagi na ano siya? Din Dragon Ball yung kay Piccolo. Gustav. Tangina dito. Oh my God, may music. Tangina. Gago, tinroma pa. Oh shit. Matay siya? Oh my God, mamamatay nga siya. Wala siya sinasabi. Kasi sabing babalikan kita, ano. Baka siya yan, kamukha niya eh. Baka lolo niya. Bakit? Ba't si Gustav pa siya
Why are you doing this?
Hindi gusto kong karakter eh. Ayoko ipasok si Ciel. Huwag mo ipilit sa akin, game. Shit, nalaban pa siya, tapos mamamatay pa siya ulit talaga. May fight pa? Shit. Putang inang yan. Ano tong 1 HP na to? Ano to? Tangina, pinaglaro ka pa talaga. Hindi ko ba siya masave? Ay, hindi. Walang epic music eh. Hindi ko 1 hit pa rin ako dito eh. Anong gawin ko. Tangina, nakangiti pa sa'yo ng ganit. Tangina dito. Oh my god. Well, gusto ako mag-heal, pero feeling ko one hit lang ako sa kanya. Oh, may isa pa ako. Pag ito yung 999 damage, sabi ko sa'yo.
We've done nothing to you. We should be on the same side.
Gago, di siya nagsasalita. Ayun ang menacing. Lagi wala akong damage sa kanya. Ang ina mo. Yung laro pa talagang pinapaano pa eh, no? Pinapamukha sa'yo eh.
Let her go.
Ito. Is about... Oh my god, naman dito.
Something's going on up
there. Tangina namang gameplay yan.
Escape! Get us up there!
Bakit? Ano yan? Boy pa rin yan. Ang dami nangyayari. Ang dami nangyayari.
For those who come after.
Ay, gumagalaw. Paano mo pakita sa akin paano mo papatay, no? Oh, ayun. Oh! Victory? Kill? Bigyan mo pa ako ng XP? Inang ina. Shit, nasira na. Wala na siya panjabol. Sino nag-protect kay Maelle? Si ano, kumuha. Nilagyan siya ng parang case. Bro. Nakala ko ba namatay?
For those who come.
Tangina naman. Hindi.
Right?
No. You promised!
Tawag, Game of Thrones sila tayo. May flash step siya, gago si Mina to. Sayang mga pictos ko sa'yo, Gustav! Natanggal niya. Siya na lang, ikaw na pambalagay, Gustav. Hayop ka. Apo ba niya to? Ano ba? Hindi ba siya sinasaktan? Ba't si Gustav lang?
You won't yet understand. But this is a kindness.
Explain mo na ngayon na.
Not a cruelty.
May paint sa loob nila. May lumabas. Parang ano. Uy, gago. Parang...
You let her come. You know she's too weak for this. How could you let her take such a risk?
You only care when things are right in front of you. My sweet child, you are supposed to stay home. I told you not to worry. But since you're here now, just stay put.
What are you saying? You must go home now. This does not involve you.
When this is over, we'll go home together.
No!
Doctor Strange yung reference. Ano yun? Hitman yun ah.
This won't make sense to you now.
Basahin, explain mo na nga now.
We both want what's best
Pwede yan.
for our families.
Kung may time ka patay si Gustav, may time ka mag-explain.
In the middle, but I did try to warn you.
Sino yun? Sino yan?
It's been a while.
Iba rin to. Yes, may kabalay sa Gustav. Mas pogi Gustav, mas batang Gustav.
Stay out of this. You chose to walk away.
Grabe, the plot
thickens. You don't
thickens.
get to come back now and interfere.
Akala ko isa sila. Akala ko mas parang bata version.
It's time to let her go. A lifetime. A lifetime with my family torn apart. No. I want my family back.
Baka nire-reuse yung soul ulit.
Your family.
Parang yung paint nila.
But she is.
She is your family. Si paintress? Si si Whiteface. Okay.
You would use her. She chose to come. I didn't make the rules between you two.
Ito si Budget Jon Snow.
You alright?
Pati boses niya. The White Walkers. The Black.
It's okay.
Walkers.
I'll handle things here.
Ito si Daenerys niya.
Get back to your friends.
Si Jon Snow yung mukha niya gaga. Kala ko bata lang niya na version nito eh. Kamukha sila eh. Payakin mo naman yung bata muna. Okay, talon ako. Tulak mo na lang yung bangkay ni Gustav. Baka pwede naman.
You've set us down this path. But are you ready for the consequences? She'll never paint again.
She'll never paint again. Mukhang magkakilala sila eh. Ay na naman eh. Tulak mo naman sa tubig si Gustav, no? Huwag naman ganyan parang ano lang. Hinimatay lang. Bakat camp. Wala na yung bakat, patay na. Yun, buti naman may time siya mag-ano. Pilit sa akin si Shell, ayoko siya ilagay. Ayoko na isipin pektos niya. Pektos ako yung hype na yan. Ikaw na lang, pamulit sa kanya. SK, mas gusto pa kita kay Shell. Kasi diabetic na si SK. Gusto kami utok niya. Ako nakakaligo, SK. Asan yung dalawa? Ba't siya lang nagmo-mourn? Ano may kalaban siya ng Lamp Master? O nga, no? Parang... Okay. Ay. Ayoko siya.
Last time we sat together like this.
Alam ba nila? Sinabi
In Lumiere. Mourning our parents.
Nice. Trauma bonding.
Seems like every time we're together, it's to grieve. I wish we could have spent more time in less hopeless contexts.
The plan doesn't change. We aim for the monolith. We keep heading north. With SKA's help, we can make it. But we lost the Lumina converter, so...
It's okay, we can think about that later.
All the backups were destroyed by that man, but Expedition 32 will bring more. Their chances will be better. We need to prepare them. I should update our journals.
Hey.
Wala na siya na hope.
It's okay.
Si ano na, naka for those who come after mode na siya.
Tomorrow will still come.
Oo, kaya nabigyan pa talaga siya ng moment. Sige. Punta siya kay Voldemort. Kaka-upgrade ko lang ng web. Ay, hindi pala. Si ano pa. Ayun na nga, si ano na. Siya na yung pumalit. So, kung sabihin yung mga weapon niya, sa kanya mapupunta. Paano yung inventory ko dun? Sa papalit si Jon Snow. Okay. Okay, kala ko puro babae. Hindi ako makaka-self-insert dito. Yes, may titi uli ang camp. Nice one.
This seemed important.
Pati boses niya pala chance. Alam mo pa yung kamay. Yeah, may Lumina converter tayo.
If you want to reach the monolith, the best path is through the quarry up north.
Yep.
Who are you? And where did you get that expedition uniform?
Strange way to say thank you. I'm sorry I couldn't save your friend.
Tagal mo eh. Pwede ka rin mag-TP.
I'm wearing an expedition uniform because I, too, am an expeditioner.
What? What do you mean you're an... I've never seen you before.
First expedition. Expedition
Sabi ko na eh. Zero eh. Yung una eh.
Expedition Zero. But how are you alive and not...
Old? I don't know exactly, but some of us stopped aging and we're not affected by the gamage.
Some of you. Like the man on the cliff.
Anwar. Our commander.
Why? Why did he massacre our team?
How could he turn on his own people?
He believes his immortality is a gift from the paintress. Killing her would kill him too, and he enjoys living forever.
And you don't?
Burying everyone you know while you live on can weigh you down a bit.
Common, ano nga, common immortal problems.
I couldn't help
Mamatay na lahat. Di na kaya na utak mo.
Perhaps I can help you.
So mamamatay rin siya sa dulo kung papatayin natin si
You want
paintress.
to join us?
Siyempre.
If you don't mind the company. Yes.
Ano yung power nito? Ay, naku, makagalit siya.
So, if I want to kill Renoir, I have to kill the paintress first.
Unhinged na siya. Patay ko siya. Patay ko lahat. Kaya gusto ko si Maelle eh. Gusto ko tong, ano eh.
Verso.
Verso? Friend to ni SK ah. Sinabi ni SK, acto. Okay. Sinabi niya, tropa to ni SK. Sinabi ni SK. Ano sasabihin ni SK? Ako na si Judge, no! The North. Ay. Ano sasabihin mo sa akin? Tropa mo ko, di ba? Sabi ko na.
I could say the same for you, you giant marshmallow. Yeah, buddy. We'll find...
Oh, Maman's the work.
Great.
Always.
Do you want to spend time? Mamaya na. Yeah, sa harem ko, nawala na. Ito yung pwede kausapin. Ano ba yung weapon? Ha! Gulat ako puti.